Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So have you guys already subscribed? If not, please do. If you have subscribed, thank you so much for being part of the team. So today is a beautiful day. I am headed out kama kawaida, and today I want to try some nature walk. So I am going on a nature walk around our city, around Nairobi. So you guys, guess where I'm headed? And keep it here so that you can see the activities that I am going to do there. I hope there are some. I bet there are. If not, tutembe. So come along. So guys, we are at Karura forest. This place is so calm, fresh air. Y'all guys should come here. This place is awesome. By the way, it is full of people. I didn't know people come this much to just walk, bond. Like you see in front of us, there are so many guys just walking. Behind us, so many guys just walking. Actually, no one is running. I think guys are just having, some cool moments, listening to birds, kind of thing. It is so cool. So cool. Trees are so calm, fresh air. And it's something that, y'all guys, if you haven't done it, you people should come. It is not as expensive. I don't know whether people pay the same. I don't know, for foreigners, for Kenyans, I'm not sure, because as we came in with the car and we just paid 400 bob only. Imagine, for two people in a car. So I'm assuming they don't even charge cars. I think they're charging per head, which should be like 200. So you guys should come. Guys, get me a walking stick. And then the fact that we are going downhill. Where? Yeah. Guys, my knees. But anyway, we have to finish this trail, and maybe tomorrow we can go see a doctor. I want to get a walking stick. I swear. Ish. cycling along the dog path. So guys, this direction heads to caves and the waterfall. So that's where we are headed. We want to see some good scenery of the waterfall and the caves. I was here so many years ago, like 10 years ago. I can't even know whatever was here. I don't know the directions. I don't know nothing. So let's go and explore together. Yeah, and it will be a good, Sunday well spent. See you guys at the waterfall. So guys, we're still looking for the waterfall. We haven't found it. This arrow points up, I don't know, to heaven. So let's go check out the butterfly lake and the pretty valley. So guys, we're still walking. What brand has that tagline? Keep walking. Johnny Walker. Keep walking. So guys, as I told you, Karura is beautiful. It is beautiful. It is serene. The environment is just, and it is so pocket friendly. Guys, imagine I paid just 400 Kenya shillings. That's like 3 USD. Imagine just like 3 USD only to come here. You're not restricted on time. I did not actually see what time they close, but I'm assuming it's from 5 to 6. And yeah, people are just having their time here. They're running, they're jogging, they're cycling, they're just bonding with their partners. By the way, this is a very nice, calm area and environment for people to bond. I have seen a million couples here. People are just chilling, walking, talking about their life. It is 2025, guys. So these people are shouting. They almost freaked me out. They're cycling. Breathing some fresh air. Fresh air. Fresh air. So guys, thanks. I need some. You see, my water has glucose, by the way. Let me use my director's water because it is fresh water. Mine has some glucose because I need that energy, y'all. So people, yeah, that's about it. And I was hoping we will get somewhere we can catch a snack, but unfortunately I'm just in the wild. So I'll see you guys soon.
If you're reading this now,
so guys, I decided to take a rest because we've walked quite a bit. So there are designated chairs. What are these things called? Designated places where guys should sit and just take a rest as they continue with their journey. Because as I told you earlier, guys, this place is as expansive as you can imagine. So walking all the way is quite something. So I am here just chilling and drinking some water as I continue with my journey. So guys, stay tuned. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, Miss Riba. Please share, please comment and keep the page active. I love you guys. come along.
Okay.
It's so nice for carrying it. It's specifically for the dog.
Well, it's for cargo.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you want to
No,
feed it?
buddy. Hey, you're not gonna make a good impression on video.
Wow.
Oh, you want to feed it?
Oh, I got it.
Guys, see, it's time for the dog to have something.
Water break.
Wow. He's so
old.
cute.
It's so old.
Yeah.
How old?
He's 10.
Wow.
He used to have lots of energy when he was younger,
Okay.
but now he's getting old, so to get exercise, he just rides.
That's why you were having a ride.
Yeah.
Okay. It looks so pretty.
Doesn't look 10, looks so healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah, he used
You're
to,
not bad. You're
he used to
looking
run
good.
all over the place when he was younger.
Okay.
But still have some energy left.
Yeah.
Yeah, he does still have some energy.
We're YouTube creators. You can
Oh, yeah?
subscribe to our channel. Yeah.
Ah,
What's
okay.
your channel?
Yeah, I can just show you.
Done? Here you go.
Drink.
Done? Drink. Okay.
He's done.
That was cool.
Do you have a like specific focus of your channel, or is it just like out and
Yeah.
about in Nairobi?
Out and about
Out
in
and
Nairobi
about.
and its environs. We
Yeah.
don't have anything particular.
Not your specialty.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Yeah, there's so much in Nairobi to.
So much,
Yeah.
so much.
So it's,
You mind being in the channel? You say hi to our people. Just say hi.
Hi.
Hi, thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
guys.
Yeah, have a good
Okay.
one.
You
Have a
too.
good one too.
Thank you so much, guys.
Have a good one.
So guys,
friends.
we made some friends and they were so awesome to us and they came to the channel. It's this way, I'm assuming. But I said I want to go downhill. Eh. What's up, guys? So, looks like there's a tree nursery on this end to the right, but I don't think we will go downhill because, as I told you guys, my knee is bringing me some issues, especially when we go downhill. So, I got somewhere, I'm seated, just taking a rest, and we continue with the journey. I think we are almost going to the finishing point. What's that? Oh, there are lorries. So I guess we will just continue with the journey, keep walking and not alone. So guys, it has been a journey. We are on our exit. As you guys can see, those cars along the road. I told you guys this is Kiambu Road. So we are nearing our exit. So guys, thank you so much for being part of the vlog. Kindly subscribe, kindly subscribe, share, like, hit that notification button so that when I drop something new, y'all guys should see it firsthand. So thank you so much and I love you guys.
I think we all thought that we did the right thing, but it didn't turn out that way. It's been heavy and we're starting to break, but I hope